Hi everybody, Dan Robinson here with Dan's Daily Tips. I'm going to be giving tips every day about different things. It could be anywhere from networking, jokes, life hacks, computer, uh, things that you can do on your computer, Google searches, shortcuts. As a matter of fact, that's what we're going to be doing this week is shortcuts. We're going to be talking about the different types of shortcuts that you can use, keyboard shortcuts that make it a little bit quicker, make your job just a little bit easier. Now, basically, what we're going to discuss and what platform we're going to discuss is the Microsoft platform. And the reason why we're doing that is this. If you look right here, you can see that Windows, we're looking at the majority of market share is Windows. And there's a small market share that uses Mac, Linux, and other. But the majority of market share is Windows, so we're going to discuss Windows for the most part. Now, the different keyboard shortcuts that we're going to talk about, we're going to start today with Control X, Control V, and Control C. Now, the table of shortcuts in Wikipedia, and I'll put this link in so that you can click on it. You can find it in Wikipedia under Table of Keyboard Shortcuts. And you scroll down here and it'll show you all these different shortcuts and some of the ones that we're going to discuss this week. And it also gives you the Mac options as well, so you can go in here if you're a Mac user and you can look them up. It's a nice little reference guide. So we will do that. Right now we're going to cover the three that I was talking about. The first one is, and I'm just going to show you this. This is how you would do it regularly. If you wanted to take this sentence, and this is from a article from Gene Parrott that I put on ventriloquist.org. Gene does a good job writing for us. Now, if I wanted to take this sentence and I wanted to move it down to here, what I would usually do is I would right-click, I would cut, I would delete this so that it's down to there. I would go down to here, hit enter, and then I would right-click and paste. And of course, I'd have to delete that so that we get it back to where we want it. Maybe tab that over, tab this over. There we go. Okay, so that's how we would usually do it. But we're not going to do it that way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts. So we're back to the beginning again. There we go. So now what we would do with the keyboard shortcuts is I'd still highlight it. Then I would use the Control and the X, and that would cut it. Hit delete a couple times so that I get that back to where I need it. Then I put that down there and hit enter, and then hit Control V, which is paste. And it pastes it in there. So there we go. Control X, Control V. So you don't have to do as much with the mouse with the right clicking. Now let's say, and let's go back again. There we go. Let's say I wanted to just copy this and put it someplace else. Maybe I wanted it in there twice. Regularly, what you would do is right-click and hit copy. But what you can do is you can hit Control C, and that copies it. And then Control V, which we used last time, and it pastes it right in there. So Control X is for cut, and Control C is for copy. So Control X for cut, Control C, Control C for copy, and Control V for paste, and the reason why they use Control V instead of Control P is because Control P is for print. So they use Control V for paste. So copy, cut, and paste. Control X is cut, Control C is copy, and Control V is paste. 3 shortcuts that are going to help you out. We will talk more about shortcuts tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow on Dan's Daily Tips. We'll see you then.